This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado news on seconews.org. We're in Rocky Ford, Colorado for the 2023 Arkansas Valley Fair Car Show. Of course, our live stream sponsored by Absolute Automotive, the City of Rocky Ford, D&M Auto and Truck Repair, H&R Block of La Junta and Lamar, Back to Health Chiropractic, Dr. Craig Ortega over there sponsoring some of our coverage of the Arkansas Valley Fair. We're kicking off Fair Week from downtown Rocky Ford, Railroad Park. Around 40 cars in the show today, pretty good showing. Some of our friends from the Southeast Colorado Antique Vehicle Club. Jimmy's ride back there. Good times to be had today in Rocky Ford, kicking off the fair. Those wiener dog races about to get underway. It's a great day for it here in Railroad Park. We'll go until 6 o'clock today. They've got the cornhole tournament going, getting set. Not sure what time you can check that flyer. Mellon Valley Baggers doing the cornhole tournament today. Absolute Automotive, a big sponsor of our live stream and of the car show. We'll mention Gordon with Gearhead too over there at registration. Free to register. Show off your unique vehicle. What's up, Damon?
How's it going?
Life's good?
Right.
Beautiful day for it. We're going to have some footage of him, some coverage of the figure 8 jump race coming up Thursday night. Hey, this Beetle's been on our YouTube before. Last year, it did a great burnout in the burnout contest. Sorry, we got some wind noise, folks. Richard Ribs. Come check out Richard's Ribs here in Rocky Ford this afternoon. Car shows go until 6 o'clock. Burnout contest at 4 o'clock. They've got other activities like that wiener dog race. We're going to get some footage of that for you guys. We'll have that up on the YouTube. You can check out last year's race somewhere on there. We've got footage of this guy's Supra up on YouTube and Facebook from the Tri-County Family Care Center's Cruising into Summer car show. Very interesting paint job on that one. Of course, you're going to get to see these in the figure 8 jump race coming up Thursday night. We'll have coverage on seconews.org on that YouTube channel. Pretty popular The wagons seem to do well. And of course, Damon Nichols will be in this one. There you go. Got you with the ride. Good job circling back, man.
Yeah.
You pretty pumped for the race Thursday?
Pretty pumped, man. Looking forward to going for that first place this year.
Yeah. You guys gonna catch some air?
We're gonna catch whoever.
Right on.
I did already.
There you go. Passes everything but a gas station.
That's right.
Awesome. We'll see you, man.
See you, man.
Of course, oh, my baby doesn't slow dance. Said he's got a new race engine in the works. Gonna bump it up a couple hundred horsepower. Sounds about right for Kelly. Pretty wild paint jobs on those figure 8 racers. And we still got a couple rows of cars to go through. But we're gonna take a break. We're gonna get some wiener dog racing footage. So we encourage you to join us in downtown Rocky Ford as we kick off the 2023 Arkansas Valley Fair with the car show. They just moved it a week earlier. So instead of being at the end of the fair, it's right at the beginning. How about that? It's Fair Week in Rocky Ford, Colorado. Join us on seconews.org.